Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So let's see what's going to happen in this week for you. If you're looking for a personal reading, ritual or counseling session with me, please stay tuned till the end. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and welcome. Let's start. In your career, you've got the new fight and the justice card. Well, I do see that you're overthinking about something. It could be a major decision that you're planning to take, a change that you're planning to make, or some sort of instability, financial instability that has happened till now or is happening. I do see that things are going to change for you. You'll start going to see the results this week. Justice has come into your reading, which means karma is going to play a major role in your life. Everything which is karmically inclined and aligned is going to come to you. So expect whatever is happening in your life to be a karmic reward for you. You can get unexpected invites for the events. You can get unexpected income from somewhere. You can get new opportunities also, more client, more business in some way or the other. And you will wonder that, oh, this was not even something that I ever dreamed of or thought of, that this can be a source of income for me, but it is going to happen for you. So expect unexpected changes, because that is the karma's way of rewarding you for your hard work, for your patience, for your extra time, and for the long working hours. Everything is being rewarded to you. So good things are going to happen for you this week when it comes to your career. Let's see what's happening in your love life. Why is it so complicated here? You've got the Eight of Moons, the Four of Moons, and the Nine of Suns. Well, here I see that I understand that there have been blockages in your life, hurdles in your relationships, right? Something or the other. It can be financial problems, it can be uh, family problems, family interference, sometimes the friends interfering, sometimes you or the partner are having some sort of misunderstanding or fights. I do see that you're very fearful about where this relationship is going. If you are already in a no contact or separation situation, I think you're very much worried about whether you both are going to ever reconnect again or not. And I do see that you have maybe multiple times tried to talk to your partner, but it seems like it is for nothing. You end up arguing more than resolving issues. That is because your partner is in a very defensive mode. Whether you were wrong or they were wrong, whether you are right or they are right, irrespective, they are in a very defensive mode. Like they are not open to communication right now. They feel like they are being attacked. They feel like they need to take a break from it. They feel like they're not ready for it. So they are not going to open up in this week. So reconciliation chances are very low when it comes to your 4th week. Also, I do see that some people can attack you also, your family, friends, in-laws, or your own partner. They can attack you on your belief system, or you might feel like they are attacking and you might feel the need to take a break from them. So if you can take a break, do go and take a break, go to the mountain, the beach, spend some time alone, take a solo trip, or just maintain distance with them so that you can avoid any sort of argument and fights that can happen and hamper your relationship even more. This is actually not a time to fight, because I do see that the chances or the situation, circumstances will be such that you both are, or you are forced to fight with other people or argue with other people. So try to avoid people in general around this time so that you can keep your sanity. And then maybe the next week can be better for you. So this is not the time to push someone to talk, as in your partner, friends, or family, or this is not also the time to be pushed by someone to get into some sort of communication or um, resolving issues, because probably this is not the right time. This is the time to take a break. This is the time to maintain distance and focus on yourself. If you have a career, then focus on your studies, your work, your business. Relationships might not go as smooth as you would expect to be. So be prepared for that. And this, if I talk about your overall week, it looks good for career, but a little complicated for your personal life. And that whether you are single or whether you are divorced, because a lot of people tell me that make a separate video for that. That's not going to happen. Divorced will be treated as singles only, and that means when something happens in your relationship, it can be with a new person or it can be with your friends and family as well, because this is like a personal life, right? So try to resonate it accordingly. And if you guys resonated with this reading, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what situation you are exactly going through. I would read it and I will try to respond to most of you. And yes, lastly, if you have any questions, if you want to ask specific questions regarding love, career, health, family, anything, you can book a personal reading with me. If you want to remove any sort of blockages from your life or manifest any desire, you can book a ritual as well. I have cheap, powerful, and very effective rituals available without the need of a lot of ingredients or stuff. No, very simple, very powerful rituals available. Third, I do have different packages available like love package or singles package for people who are single, and career package as well. And every package will come with with a free remedy for you guys, which I'll ask from the angels to see what is exactly blocking your growth in that area. And lastly, I do spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you need guidance, some sort of therapy, you need to open up, you're scared of opening up because the burdens are too heavy or the secrets are too deep or dark, then you can come to me. This will always stay between the two of us. I do have audio and video sessions available as well, half an hour and 1 hour, but only and only on Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom. I do not have WhatsApp available. So to make any kind of bookings, you can either email me at astasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there, including the prices, the discounts, the new services that I keep on launching, all the rituals, when to do, what not to do. And yes, all these details are also available in my description box and my bio so that you do not forget the email or the Instagram ID. So thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.